Hi, this is Adjunct Professor Fred Kennedy at Diablo Valley College in Pleasant Hill, California. Today I'd like to talk about rotating bits. The first instruction I'd like to talk about is rotate right. This is like shifting right, where the rightmost bit goes in the carry flag. But the big difference is the rightmost bit does two things. It goes into carry flag, but also is rotated in to the left end. Remember, with shifting right, we filled in on the left with zeros. But here, in this case, we fill in on the left with the bit that was on the right. But all the other bits shift to the right, just like a right shift. This bit gets shifted here, this bit gets shifted here, and so on. All the bits get shifted one to the right. And this rotating a basic instruction if we were shifting AL rotating AL one time to the right. Of course, if we can rotate right, we can also rotate left. Here's a basic instruction. Rotate left AL1. So if AL contained this number, and we did our rotate left, the leftmost bit does two things. It goes in the carry flag and also comes in the right end. Remember, when we did a shift left, we filled in the right end with zeros. But when we rotate left, we fill in the right end with the leftmost bit. But all the other bits get shifted left, just like a left shift. All these bits get shifted once to the left. Well, not this bit. Then we have rotate through carry right, which is interesting. For a 1-byte number, 8 bits, it's like a 9-bit rotation. Rotate through carry right involves the carry flag in the rotation. So the rightmost bit goes in the carry flag, and the carry flag comes in the left end. Remember that with rotate right, the rightmost bit went in the carry flag, and then the rightmost bit went in the left end. But here, we're actually involving the carry flag in the rotation. But like rotate right and shift right, all the other bits get shifted once to the right. So once again, with rotate through carry right involves the carry flag in the rotation. Once again, the rightmost bit goes into the carry flag, and the carry flag comes in the left end. Now, rotate through carry left also involves the carry flag in the rotation. The leftmost bit goes in the carry flag, and the carry flag comes in the right end. Remember, with rotate left, the leftmost bit went in the carry flag and also went in the right end, but in this case, with rotate through carry left, the carry flag is involved in the rotation. So the leftmost bit goes in the carry flag, and the carry flag comes in the right end. And just like shift left and rotate left, all the other bits get shifted once to the left.